Hey guys, Nick Taliaferro here, GenuineSaab, because nobody can spell Taliaferro. So, one of our current projects, it's taken a little bit of time, we've been a little busy. These ugly power steering tanks on the new Gen 900, 93, 95, the old stuff, not the Buicks. So the threads were weird, I just couldn't make the cap. So I had these caps we use for the LS valve covers. So took a little tweak, we added some vents, a baffle, a dipstick. Then I shrunk it down so it looked a little better. You can see there's a little difference to the prototype on my car. The tanks machined out of aluminum, machined base. We had one of the coolant from a sports sedan coolant tee. Had to machine another one, so that's just a family of parts. Inside there's actually a filter on the stock one. So trying to find these filters was a little wild. Then you have to make a hold down for the filter, find the right screws, all of that thing. And then add the little register so Adam can weld it easy. So that's 2 machined parts, 2 screws, a cap, and a filter, 2 hose barbs. And then the tank comes out of this crazy piece of aluminum, 2.5 pounds, down to not very much. So yeah, Cody and Adam and Landon all machined this on the Akumas and the Brother, Japanese machines. They're pretty neat, kind of like our Saabs. The install is a few minutes. Cody's got this one full polished. He won't do anymore. He was a pain, but he was like, this is cool. So there's one of these if you want a full polish, or you can polish your own. But we've got them in stock, GenuineSaab.com. Thanks.